All right, guys, we have the 64th hard request on the current list up today. It's called Piano in the Dark by Brenda Russel. So let's hear the intro here. I'll use a little electric piano sound with it, I think. Let's see. Piano here. And so forth. Hello everyone, I'm Sean Cheek and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson here for this, but all of the lessons for Piano in the Dark are on my website, webpianoteacher.com. I usually have it written, I didn't write it this time, but webpianoteacher.com. Something on there for everybody. Thousands of lessons over the past 12 years that I've done. If you're a beginner, I have 50 beginner lessons if you don't know anything about music, anything about piano, to get you started and get you up and running. But let's go ahead with this 64th hard request. This has piano in it, of course. The song's called Piano in the Dark, but not a lot of piano. We have a lot of keyboard sounds in here, so I've kind of tried to meld those together, and we actually start with the keyboard sound, but I'm just going to play piano here now so everybody can, those of you who are on pianos. Alright, so I'm going to add a little bit here and there just to help the arrangement for just doing it as a piano solo thing. But we have C and A flat in the right hand. Alright, I'll use 1 and 5, and then we'll come down to B flat and G with 1 and 5, and then G and E flat 2 times. So it's da 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 da. Left hand's on F. Now you could just play an F octave. If you want to play F C F and kind of vamp a little bit, like that would be perfectly fine. I don't hear that in the recording, but I'm gonna just kind of do that myself because I think it helps out. F C F. And we'll do the same thing on the next measure when you have a D flat chord. D flat, A flat, D flat. I'll go 5, 2, 1 on that. And then the right hand will have A flat and F to just a single B flat. So we have from the beginning. Then we're going to have da 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 da. So that's going to be E flat and C on the right. I'll use 1 and 3. This is middle C, by the way. The D flat, E flat, F, D flat with 1 and 4, C, and then E flat and B flat together. The left hand will have a C octave, D flat octave, G octave. So ba da 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 da. So as you're holding that chord, it's an E flat chord, by the way. You'll hold it over to the next measure, and then da da da, which will be A flat, B flat. I'll use 2, 3, 2, E flat, A flat, C, 1, 2, 4. Or you could go 3, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to use 2, 3, 4. I like that better. And they're fast. Da da da. When you play that last chord there, you'll play C octave on the left. So I'll start right here. I have ba 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 ba. So let's go from the beginning, all right? And go. Now the next part starts off the same. So we'll have the piano actually comes in there, so it's not just keyboard, you have an actual piano come in, so I definitely wanted to put that in there. So sometimes I have to make a compromise between the keyboard part and the piano, but I always try to have the piano in there because it is, you know, piano in the dark, and we want those little fills for the piano right hand to be in there. So I think you'll like the arrangement I did, but again, it's on webpianoteacher.com. There's your part 1, and I'll see you on the website and we'll finish it. Talk to you guys later.